Do Diet Cola, Coke, or Pepsi cause disease in humans? Welcome to ADP for Learning. I am Ashish Kutyal. Today we will learn about a new topic which is concerned with a disease that may be caused due to drinking diet soda. Have you ever seen any warning labels behind diet soda or cola or Pepsi? The answer may be yes or no. Generally, foods containing the artificial sweetener aspartame carry a warning label that says, "Contains phenylalanine." Since other sugar substitutes lack similar words of caution, aspartame must pose a unique threat. So the question arises, what is aspartame? Aspartame is an artificial sweetener that contains two amino acids, aspartic acid and phenylalanine. In most people, an enzyme converts phenylalanine into another amino acid. A mutated allele of the gene encoding this enzyme, however, results in the production of an abnormal, non-functional enzyme. People who have just one copy of this recessive allele are healthy because the cell has enough of the normal protein, thanks to the dominant allele. The person is healthy, so the recessive allele seems to vanish. However, individuals who inherit two copies of the recessive allele have a metabolic disorder called phenylketonuria. So, one more question arises: what is phenylketonuria? Phenylketonuria is an inherited error of metabolism caused by a deficiency in the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Loss of this enzyme results in mental retardation, organ damage, and unusual posture and can, in cases of maternal phenylketonuria, severely compromise pregnancy. Classical phenylketonuria, popularly known as PKU, is an autosomal recessive disorder caused by mutations in both alleles of the gene for phenylalanine hydroxylase, also known as PAH, found on chromosome 12. As the figure shows how an enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase converts the amino acid phenylalanine to tyrosine, another amino acid. Mutations in both copies of the gene for PAH mean that the enzyme is inactive or is less efficient, and the concentration of phenylalanine in the body can build up to toxic levels. In some cases, mutations in phenylalanine hydroxylase will result in a phenotypically mild form of PKU called hyperphenylanemia. Both diseases are the result of a variety of mutations in the PAH locus. In those cases where a patient is heterozygous for two mutations of PAH, that is, each copy of the gene has a different mutation, and the milder mutation will predominate. A form of PKU has been discovered in mice, and these model organisms are helping us to better understand the disease and find treatments against it. With careful dietary supervision, children born with PKU can lead normal lives, and mothers who have the disease can produce healthy children. So, those people who cannot produce the normal enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase may result in accumulation of phenylalanine accumulates to toxic levels due to drinking Diet Cola or Coke or Pepsi, causing intellectual disability and other problems. Avoiding food drinks containing aspartame helps minimize the effects of PKU, hence, the warning. Thank you for listening and exploring the amazing journey of learning. In the future, we will come up with more interactive topics. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share, and comment.